Hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a good visit from my buddy who gave me a fly tying kit, so I ended up crafting up a couple new flies after he taught me how to use it and how to tie it off and all that fun stuff. So we're going to be doing some interesting stuff with this, but first we're going to have to go buy some material to actually, make some more flies other than the egg sucking leech. But I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Pretty happy with the kit that I was just given. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing, but it's definitely going to be more tying flies because I go through these a lot. And I think last year I probably lost a good dozen or so. So now that I have the ability to make my own flies, I'll have a chance to save some money that I don't have to go pay somebody to make flies for me. I just gotta spend some money to get a startup kit to buy some extra hooks and material and more Chanel and all that fun stuff. I can even grab some wool from my mom and things like that. But yeah, this is exciting. I've been dying to pick up, a big fancy fly tying kit with all the materials, but I just couldn't afford $200-400 for those big kits. So I think it's probably better off that I start small and just buy a few things here and there instead of spending $200-300 on an entire kit. I'll just go buy $10 $20 of material here and there, and actually I save up and actually be able to do some crafty solutions on how to make my own egg sucking leeches that fish will bite. But anyways, today's been an interesting day. I got the firewood all set up. It started to rain. Yeah, got all my stuff organized. Got my firewood all split and filled my tires with air. And it started to rain. So kind of been stuck inside the van, just relaxing, watching some TV. And now I have the ability to do something different. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out.